Okay, the question today is, generally speaking, how many years do you look to recoup your initial investment into a property? 5 years, 10 years? I really laughed when I saw this question because, we had this discussion recently in one of our coaching groups about returns on investment for real estate properties. And we got into a debate. We had a couple of people that said, it's really hard to find a deal today that you can get a better than 20% return. And I said, well, I don't know who you're talking to, but most of our students typically see infinite returns on their investment. Let me give you an example. We've got a student right now that's getting ready to close on a deal that they've got to put about $8,000 into the property to do some minor painting, carpet, and repairs. They're giving $3,000 to the seller. This house is worth about $150,000, and the balance owed on it's about $90,000. Okay, you think you can't find deals like that today? Well, you're just not talking to the right sellers. But what are they looking at? They're going to put $8,000 in the property. They're going to pay $3,000 to the seller. That's $11,000. Okay, and let's just say they have a couple of months of holding costs, carrying cost payments on this house, $500 or $600 a month. Say another $2,000. So that's 8 and 3 is 11. Another 2 is 13. They'll sell this house for $160,000 with seller financing and get $15,000 or $16,000 on the front end from their buyer. Okay, so let's take this 8 and 3 and 2, which is 13 that they've got in it in cash. They're going to collect 15 or 16 from their buyer. They're going to put $2,000 or $3,000 in HIP National Bank when the buyer moves in. Now, do the numbers on that, and you tell me what return that is. Okay, that's what we're looking for. We like deals where we get paid on the front, in the middle for cash flow, and on the back end with cash outs. And that's what you can do even with no equity deals with sub 2. So how long do I look for it to take for me to get my cash back and what kind of return? Right away. We're not looking to leave any money in a property, and you can do that too. If you want to learn how, click on the link below and join us. We've got the most affordable coaching group on the planet with $7coaching.com. The link's right below. Check us out. You'll get all you need to be able to do these deals.